So I would say just the 40% of your business at the beginning has to be like mainly focused on the experience and the branding. Because as soon as you launch it, it's either going to be a flop or it's going to be a success. It's one of these two. There is no in between. So to prevent that flop from happening, stop doing the same method that I've been doing it as well. I'm part of it. Like the same drop shipping. You find a product today, you launch it the next day. I have done it many, many times. You find it by 4 p.m., the ads is running by midnight. It's that simple. Yeah, you get notifications of sales. Awesome. Yes, we're making money. But how much money are you making? Maximum 15%, 20% of profit. Why don't you just hold on for a bit, work on your branding, work on your experience, have a sick packaging, and then launch it by 30 days. It doesn't matter. If it's going to take you 30 days to get all the packaging ready and the whole experience done, the website looking premium and all of that.
Yeah.
And instead you're making 80% or 85% instead of 15 to 20%. It's the same product. You just worked a little bit longer on making that experience more premium, more humanized, more personalized to the end consumer, instead of just, hey, can you fulfill this orders for me? That's a big difference here.